Hello, teacher.
Hello. Hello, Min. Good morning. How are you?
I'm great.
Yeah, happy birthday. Belated happy birthday, Min.
Yes,
How are you right now? Are you in the
I'm
car?
great.
Are you
Yes.
inside the car? Oh, where are you
Yes.
going?
Uh, I'm travel.
You're traveling. Okay. Are you going home?
Yes,
Where are you from? Where did you go?
I have a breakfast.
You had a breakfast outside. Belated happy birthday, Min. How old are you right now? Like what's your age now?
I'm 14 years old.
14. You're 14 years old. And then Hong is what is Hong's
Eight,
age? 8.
eight.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have 5 years gap. I see. Okay. So anyway, are you ready for our material now, man?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. How was your whole week, Min? Did you have a nice week?
yes. It's what day? Wait.
Yes. Are you using a cell phone or a tablet?
A tablet.
A tablet. I see. Okay. I will share the screen now and we are now going to continue with our material, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, honey, last time we already started with our topic, which is all about what was our topic last
Domestic
time?
surgery.
Very
Domestic
good.
surgery.
Yes, the cosmetic surgery. What is a cosmetic surgery again, honey?
It is make their face better than.
Yes, to enhance their face, change their face entirely. Okay. What is the doctor doing here, honey?
Make their face look like somebody else.
Very good. So cosmetic surgery, honey, is a medical procedure that improve or changes a person's appearance. Yes, to make their face even more beautiful. Okay, so we already had this one last time, honey. We already had your answers here. Done with that, done with
Mm,
answering the questions. We are also done with reading this passage right here. Now we are going to have the comprehension check. Do you want to read this one again, honey? Because you need to understand the whole text here before answering these questions. Do you want to read this one again?
Uh, some people believe that image is very important for those people. How we look is who we are. In 2009, in the United States, 11 million cosmetic surgery operations were done. Plastic surgery is a very big business. In Europe, people pay more than $2.2 million for cosmetic surgery operation. There are many popular types of cosmetic surgeries. Nose jobs, tummy tucks are popular in the West. Eyelid surgeries is popular in the East. If you can afford it, it is easy to change your appearance. Uh, Cosmetic surgery operations are often very short operations and the patients often covers quickly. Some people say they are more confident with their new operations. They say we are free to do what we like with other bodies. However, accidents do happen, and sometimes people look strange or ugly after their surgery. Some people also become addicted to cosmetic surgery. They continue to have more and more surgeries because they want to look perfect. It can cause a kind of mental illness. Cosmetic surgery is popular partly because of the media. When we watch movies and television, we see people who have had many cosmetic surgeries. We think these people are perfect and we feel inferior to them. Often the picture of models in images of computer generated, and it is not possible to look that way. That does not stop people from trying.
Okay, honey, how do you read this one, please?
Operations,
This one.
cosmetic,
Very good.
cosmetic,
How about this one?
surgery,
Very good. How about this word?
appearance,
Appearance. Again, one more time.
appearance,
Yes, appearance. How about this?
appearance,
How about this word?
atten-
Patient.
attent,
Patient.
patient,
Very good. Again, one more
patient,
time. Yes, one more time. Patient.
patient,
Yes.
patient.
Yes. Okay. So do you understand the one that you read, honey? Do you understand it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's have. Okay, for question number one, honey, you answered already. Question number one is said, what are some popular types of cosmetic surgery? So here, please read your answer, honey. This was your answer last time.
Some of the popular types of cosmetic surgery are nose jobs, tummy tucks, eyelid, and surgeries.
Very good. Honey, where is eyelid surgery popular? Where is the eyelid surgery
Eyelid
popular?
surgeries popular in the East.
Very good. Okay, let's put your answer here. Wow, you really understood what you read. The eyelid surgery is popular in the East. Next, how many how many cosmetic surgeries were performed in the United States, honey, in 2009? Okay, I want you to find the answer here. How many cosmetic surgeries were performed in the United States in 2009? Here.
11 million cosmetic surgery operations were done.
Okay. So how do we say it in a complete sentence? There were
They
11.
were
Is it 11 million, honey?
11
Is it 11 million? Yeah. There were 11 million cosmetic surgery. No. 11 million surgeries were done in the United States
in
in
the United States
2009.
in 2009.
Please read your answer, honey. Oh, let me make this one bigger.
11, 11 million surgeries were done in the United States in 2009.
Okay, next, what are the dangers of the plastic surgery, honey? What are the dangers of the plastic surgeries?
It can have uh, like addition and can be have accident.
Hmm.
They will become uglier than and stranger than.
Very good. You're very smart, man. Great job. Yes, a person can have an addiction from it. And what else, honey? And it, okay. There may be, you say there may be, how do you say it? An accident.
There may be an
Accident
accident
while doing the operation.
while doing the operation.
Yes, please read, honey, your answer.
A person can make an accident from it,
No,
and there can be
honey, a
an
person can have an addiction. You start from here.
a person can have an addiction from it, and there may be an accident while doing the operation.
Okay, very good, honey. All right, now let's move forward to the next one, honey. Why do some say that plastic surgery is popular, honey? Why do some say that plastic surgery is popular?
It is popular because of people want to change their face into somebody like in a movie and in a film.
Yes, very good. You're very smart, man. Okay, great job. Plastic surgery is popular. Can you say it again one more time, honey? Plastic surgery is popular because they want, because the people,
Because the people want to change their face into uh like
into,
people on the movie and on the film.
yes. They, okay, the people want to change face, wants to change their face from, like you, no, like the celebrities, honey, the celebrities.
The
Okay.
celebrity,
Do you know
the
celebrities, honey? Do you know the
celebrities.
celebrities? Do you know them?
I don't know
Yeah.
it.
The actors and the actresses from the movies. Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, from the
from the
television.
movie,
Yeah, from the
from the
movies.
television,
From the movies or the television.
from the movie or the television.
Okay. Television. Okay, please read your answer, honey.
Plastic surgery is popular because the people want to change their face like the celebrities and the movies or the television.
Very good. Okay, are you still in the car, honey?
Yes,
Ah, you're still traveling?
yes,
Ah, so it's far away from your house. It's far away from your
yes.
house, man. Ah, okay. Now, let's have the vocabulary check, honey. Before that, I want you to read these words first. Can you read, honey?
Cosmetic, recover mental media, in
Inferior.
inferior.
Okay.
Your your domestic health, no, your mental health, your mental health, your mental health
Is as
is as your mental health is as important as having a healthy body.
very good. Okay, next question two. Not question. Number two.
You shouldn't uh feel
Honey, do you know the word inferior?
inferior.
Yes. Do you know the word
Inferior.
inferior, honey? What is the word
Yeah,
inferior?
just like feel like you want that, but
Mm.
you don't need that.
Honey, inferior means you are lower in quality, it's lower in rank or the status. For example, you think your classmates are rich and you think you are poor. So you are inferior to them and they are superior. Okay? It mean to say if you are inferior, honey, it means your classmates are you think your classmates are better than you. So your answer for number 2, honey, is inferior, right?
Inferior.
Yes. Your answer is correct. Very good, honey. Please read number 2, Min.
After your surgery, it will take time to uh, recover. I want to recover. Take time to
Yes,
recover.
that's it. Recover. Very good. Next,
I
4.
was so I had to put on cosmetics.
Very good.
Cosmetics.
5.
The scandal was widely reported in the media.
Reported. Reported in the media.
In the media.
Very good. You're so smart, man. Okay, now let's think about this one, honey. You're going to think about the advantages and the disadvantages of the cosmetic surgery, honey. So we have here the first part, which is the advantages and the disadvantages. Let's have here the example of the advantage, honey. We have here, please read.
And enhance self-confidence.
Enhance.
Enhance.
Very good. Okay, now please find another advantage, honey, of of having a plastic surgery or a cosmetic surgery.
Cosmetic surgery.
Hmm. What's the advantage of having cosmetic surgery, honey?
Can enhance self-confidence.
Yes.
Uh, they agree their cosmetic.
Mm. What?
They agree with their cosmetic.
They will be happy?
Yes.
That's your answer? They will be happy with the result, honey. Do you mean to say they will be happy with the result?
Yes.
Mm.
They're happy with their results.
The people will be happy.
Their results.
Next, last one, honey. Another one, another advantage.
Uh, they can just like invite their friends to do with them. Do the
Mm.
surgery.
Very good. Friends to cosmetic.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, next, let's have the advantages, honey. I want you to read the example.
Purchase the
Promote.
idea that image is everything.
Very good. Honey, thank you so much for reading that one, Min. But this word is promotes.
Promotes.
Okay.
Promote.
Yes. Promotes. Wait for a while. Promotes. Okay, so
Promote.
it promotes the idea that image is everything, honey. So it is really the advantage for that, the one of the advantage for that, honey, is that people will think that we should change everything that we have. We should change our physical appearance. That's the disadvantage of that one, honey. Now, I want you to find another disadvantage, honey, of the cosmetic
Accident
surgery.
may happen.
Hmm?
Accident may happen.
Yes, very good.
Accident may happen.
Honey, accident or complications. Or,
Complication.
yes, complications may happen. Very good, honey. Great job. Okay, another one.
People may don't like their surgery and they will become addicted to surgery.
Yes, okay. Very good, honey. People may not be satisfied, honey. Satisfied. And they might, yeah,
And
they
they
might be addicted
addicted
to it.
to the surgery.
Yes, very good. You're very smart, man. Okay. All right, let's read your answers, honey. Let's have the advantages. Please read your answers. We have.
The people will be happy with results.
Next.
They can invite their friends so cosmetic surgery with them.
Ah, honey, I'm sorry. It should be to do. It should be to do. Okay. Next, let's have the disadvantages, honey.
Accident or complication may happen. People may not satisfied and they might be addicted to it.
Okay. People may not be satisfied. Say it again. Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Very good.
Satisfied.
Very good. Okay. Now let's have the opinion practice, honey. Let's have here, we have here the supporting opinions and the refuting opinions. Okay. So let's have now this one, honey. Okay. You choose the right answer from the box, okay? Let's have number one. Please read number one, Min. People should.
People should be allowed uh should be allowed to have plastic surgery. Because it is their body and their choice.
Okay. So it is letter B. Okay. Next, two. Plastic.
Plastic surgery is too dangerous. See, because people can become addicted and mistake happen.
Very good. Three.
Plastic surgery make you more confident because you are happy with your body.
And four.
The media is responsible for making plastic surgery popular. D. Because every day we see beautiful people on the TV and magazines.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, let's have the refuting opinions. Okay. Number one.
Your appearance is the your appearance is the most important thing about you. It is fast, but plastic surgery is very dangerous. Mistake to happen.
B.
I don't know B or C. I think it's
Okay.
C.
C. Okay, let's just try. Your appearance is the most important thing about you. It is possible to gain the confidence by a diet. Okay. Two.
The only way to gain confidence is with plastic surgery.
Oh.
Uh,
I think honey two
it's
is
B.
C.
Do you see?
Here. The only way to gain confidence is with plastic surgery. So here, it is possible to gain confidence by going on a diet, working hard, or trying new things.
Oh,
So
so
it's
one is
C.
one B.
Okay.
No,
Let's skip.
one D, one D, one D, one
One is
D.
D.
This is not true. It is more important to be nice to people than to look better than them.
Very good.
Yeah.
3.
People will only like me if I have plastic surgery. Uh, yes, it is fast, but plastic. Wait, people
No.
will like you because you
Yes.
are nice and a good person, not
Very good.
because how you look.
Yes. 4.
Plastic surgery is fast and it's C. Oh wait, no, it's B.
Yes. Very good. Continue. Okay. I want you to read from the very beginning, honey. Number 1. Please read number 1. Your
Your
appearance.
appearance is the appearance is the most important thing about you. This is not true. It is more important to be nice to people than to look better than them.
Very good. 2.
The only way to gain confidence is with plastic surgery. It is possible to gain confidence by going on a diet, working hard, or trying new things.
3.
People will only like me if I have plastic surgery. People will like you because you are nice and a good person, not because of how you look.
4.
Plastic surgery is fastest and safest way to change your appearance. Mm,
Appearance.
its appearance.
Yes. Not appearance,
Yes,
honey,
it
okay,
is
but
fast, but
appearance.
plastic surgery is very dangerous and mistakes do happen.
Very good. Okay, you have to remember, honey, okay, that this word should be appearance.
Appearance.
Yeah. Appearance again.
Appearance.
Yes, not appearance, okay? All right. Next. Let's have the opinion examples right here, honey. So, teacher's going to read opinion A and then you're going to read opinion B. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Some people see the benefits of plastic surgery. Others see disadvantages. Basically, it is a personal decision. If we have enough money, we are we are each free to choose how we look. If I decide to get a nose job, I am the one of the most affected. It does not harm others. For this reason, if I want to gain self-confidence by changing my appearance, it is a personal matter. I should be free to make any decision I like. Okay. Opinion B.
I think that people who get plastic surgery are super physical. When I look in the mirror, I know that my appearance is not perfect. Maybe my ears could be a little smaller or forehead a little less wiggly. So what? It's not so important how I look. I think a person is defended
Defined.
defined by their action and their works, not by their appearance. It is always important to dress appropriately and neatly. However, I don't think we should judge people by their appearance.
Honey, how do you read this word, Min?
Superficial.
Okay, honey, that is superficial.
Superficial.
Very good. How about this word? How do you read this?
Divide.
Defined. Again, one more time.
Divide.
Defined. Yes. Okay.
Define.
Yes. Now, honey, I want you to answer this part. So here, first part, honey. Please circle the main idea of each opinions. Okay. Encircle the main idea of each opinions.
Teacher, what is this works mean?
Appropriately. I mean, honey, it means very right. It's the right thing to do. Yeah. Okay, for example, to dress appropriately, it means you have to look nicely. You have to choose the right dress for you, the nice dress to wear. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Appropriately means the right thing to do.
Look at the main idea in each option.
Opinion. Okay, start first with the opinion A.
Um, Confidence. Oh no. Okay. To make any diction I like. That is this right, teacher?
Some people benefits. Okay, let me see. Basically, it is a personal decision. If you have money, you have to choose this job. Honey, this is the main idea. Here is the main idea, honey. Here. Some people see the benefits of plastic surgery. Others see disadvantages, basically because it's their personal decision. That is the main idea, honey. Now, how about opinion B? Okay, in circle.
I think that people. Oh no.
Actually, honey, you have to remember that the main idea can be found in the first two sentences of the phrase. Yes, you're right. You're
Yes.
right, honey. I think people,
Yes.
yes, that is it. That's the main idea. Okay, next. Please underline. Okay. So here is your, I will highlight everything, okay? So if it's red, honey, that means this one is your main idea. Red will be main idea. And then for your, okay, here, this is your main idea, right, Min? Oh,
Yes.
yes, this one is your main idea. Oh,
Do the perfect.
okay. Now, I want you to underline your supporting idea. Supporting idea for each, honey. Let's start with the opinion A.
This idea is that to make notes and
Yes. Very good. Okay, so I will make that one green. Oh,
green,
oh,
green, blue.
okay. And then, where is your... Okay, hold on, honey. Wait.
What?
Okay, where is your supporting idea for opinion B?
Yeah. Of this.
All of this. Okay. All right, now, honey, which one do you agree more? Which one do you agree more? Okay, opinion A or opinion B?
I agree with opinion B.
Opinion B. Okay. All right. So now, honey, what could you say? You have to say more about the opinion B, honey. You have to support the opinion of the opinion B. Say something. Say something more about the opinion B.
If they are perfect, but they are not good, people don't want like to talk with them, just like that.
You mean to say it's more important to be nicer than to look you mean to say it's even more better to be kind than to look good. Is it what you mean? Yeah?
Yes,
It's even more better. It's even more better to be good to other people than to look nicer. Is that what you mean? Yeah?
yes,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Now, let's have the discussion questions, honey. Let's start with number 1. Okay. Do you know anyone, honey, who's had cosmetic surgery?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay. You say I don't know anyone who's had cosmetic surgery.
I don't know anyone who had cosmetic surgery.
Cosmetic.
Cosmetic.
Very good. Cosmetic. Okay, next. Would you ever consider using surgery to change your appearance, Min?
Yes,
Please explain your answer. Why? Why would you choose the surgery to change your face, to change your appearance? Why? Kindly explain.
because if you change your face, you will look uh beautiful than more beautiful than.
You mean to say if you're going to change your face or your appearance, people will think that you look good, that you look really better. Yeah? Okay. Next, how does appearance affect your life, honey? Does it affect your life?
I think no.
No, it doesn't change your appearance. I mean, it doesn't change your life. It doesn't make any changes to your life, honey. It doesn't affect your life. I see.
Yeah,
Okay, how would your life be different if you were extremely beautiful, Min? How would your life be so different if you were extremely handsome or beautiful?
it will become better than what you think
You will be
about
better than
it.
anyone? You will be
Yes.
better than anyone, I see. But anyway, honey, the time is already over. I will be getting ready for Hong's class later, okay? Thank you so much, honey, for your time, and you did so well. You are very smart, Min, and see you next time on the next Saturday. Bye-bye, Min.
Goodbye, teacher. See you